conversational pieces to take us off of the page a little bit and to use our ears and use our instincts to repeat and pronounce Hebrew words and phrases, and also to add some actual meaning to the words. So it's a nice change of pace from our reading drills. And today we're learning how to ask, is the washroom nearby? We've landed in Israel. It was very crowded on the plane. We didn't have a chance to get to the washroom. And now we're desperately looking for a washroom on the ground. We've already been reviewing how to ask, is the restaurant nearby? Now let's ask, is the washroom nearby? Gideon, the word for washroom is in green. Could you pronounce the word for washroom for us kindly? Once more, please. Okay. The audio is going in and out a little bit, so it's difficult. Emmanuel, could you try the pronunciation kindly?
Yes. Sherutim.
Very nice. Together all, sherutim.
Sherutim.
Very nice. And Peter, you'll note again the plural ending. And we call this in English a euphemism. A euphemism is an expression that means something else. And generally it's a way of being more polite to refer to something that maybe is personal or refers to modesty. In this case, we have the word sherut, which means service. As a matter of fact, sherut leumi in Israel is the national service. The students after high school have an option of either the military or sherut leumi, the national service. In this case, the word for the water closet or the restrooms is sherutim, which you could translate services. So it's something of a euphemism. But anyway, the rest of the question is exactly the same. Maria, why don't you take the first turn? We'll break it down for you slowly. Ha'im yesh.
Ha'im yesh.
Sherutim.
Sherutim.
Bikirvat makom.
Bikirvat ha'om.
Bikirvat.
Bikirvat.
Makom.
Makom.
Very nice. Joseph, kindly, could you ask the question, is the water closet nearby?
Yes. Haim Eish Sherutim Bekirvat Makom.
Well done. Peter, would you like to give it a try? Is the water closet nearby?
Ha'im
Yesh.
Ha'im yesh sherotim Bakirvat.
Nice.
Makom.
Well done. Let's make it a little fluid. Ha'im yesh.
Ha'im yesh
Sherutim.
Shirutin
Bikirvat makom.
Bikirvat makom.
Well done. Emmanuel, bevakasha. Ha'im yesh sherutim bikirvat makom?
כן, זה קרוב.
Oh, tov ma'od.
לא,
Very
זה
nice. Joseph, Achi,
Yes.
האם יש שירותים בקרבת מקום? And here are your answers down below.
כן זה קרוב. כן זה קרוב.
Okay, nice. Peter, בבקשה, האם יש שירותים בקרבת מקום?
כן, קרוב.
זה קרוב.
כן זה קרוב.
יופי, well done. Gideon, בבקשה, האם יש שירותים בקרבת מקום?
כן, זה קרוב.
Tov ma'od. Very nice. So we have a little bit of an opportunity to answer these questions and a few vocabulary words in the meantime. By the way, the word for answers is tishuvot, and there's an alternative way that we could answer on sherutim, which speaks to the importance of matching the number. So we have a plural form sherutim. So we would not necessarily say zekarov. It is near, but we would say heim kruvim. They are near. So this is matching the number of the noun. So instead of kain zekarov, we would say kain, heim, they are. In other words, the water closets, heim kruvim, they are near. Together all, kain, heim kruvim.
כן,
קרובים.
הם קרובים.
Kruvim. Or lo, heim lo kruvim. Once more, lo, heim lo kruvim.
לא.
לא,
לא קרובים.
הם לא
Lo,
קריבים.
kruvim. Very nice. Once,
קרובים.
קרובים.
very nice. No, they are not near.
Lo,
Very nice.
lo,
Very well
kruvim.
done. We have advanced all the way to the letter kuf in our drills. And we're going to pick up with kuf. And hopefully we'll have some review of pay and fay as well. But we may even introduce resh and be within spitting distance of the end of the alphabet once more. So let us find our new green. Oh, okay. Let me share as I look for the file. At least you can see me doing this. Here we go.
There is background noise in Maria's side.
Okay, Maria, do you want to mute your audio for a little while? Oh, maybe it's the next color after green. Yeah, the blue. We wanted the blue. Here it is. Okay. Here we go. We're going to drill on the kuf, Peter. We're going to form open, close, two-syllable words. The first will be an open and the second will be a closed. We're looking at line 4. Peter, kindly give line 4 a try.
Kayam.
Nice. Continue.
Katan.
Well done. That means small.
Ko.
Nice.
Kov.
Nice. This chataf patach makes the same sound as a patach, the ah sound.
Akov.
Thakov.
Akov.
Nice. The ayin is silent, so it's just like an aleph would be akov.
Akov.
Well done.
Ya.
Nice.
Akov.
Nice.
Yaakov.
Ya. Akov.
Nice. Joseph, do you recognize the name of a famous biblical character? Yaakov.
Yes. Jacob. Jacob.
There you go. That's the name, Hebrew name for Jacob. Let's continue, Peter. This is good drill for us. Line 5, kindly. So the shva at the beginning of a word is pronounced with an I sound. It would be ki, and then this is also an open syllable. The second syllable is open also. Are you stuck?
Keita.
Right, kita.
Keta.
There you go. Continue.
Nim.
Well done. You remember your letters, brother.
Ketanim.
Very nice. That means the little ones, the kitanim, the little ones. Katan in Hebrew is small. Kitanim is the small ones. Continue.
Neka.
Nika.
Well done. Together all nikah.
Nika.
Nika.
Great. Continue.
Vim.
Well done. Put it together.
Nekavim.
Nika. Vim.
Well done.
Nikavim.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me point out to you now the resh. It seems that somewhere along the line we already got the resh. Let's take a look at line 3. The resh is a little bit confusing because it looks similar to the dalet, but you'll note some basic differences between the resh and the dalet. Let's just take a minute to give you a chance on this. You see the dalet, and take a look at the resh. How are we going to tell the resh apart from the dalet? Tofauti ninini qua dalet na resh.
Dalet seems not to be continuous, the top part and the bottom part.
That's helpful.
But for the resh, it's a bit continuous.
Right.
Yes.
Nice. So let's just give ourselves a chance on the resh, and then we can do a little more drill, and then we can close. Very nice work today, guys. Line 3, kindly, Peter.
Ra. Ra. Re. 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 ro, ru,
Ri.
ri,
Ru.
ru,
Nice.
Ri. Re.
re,
Ri.
And lastly,
ri,
this is the cholam chaser.
Ro.
There you go.
ro.
Okay, let us enjoy some practice on the resh. Line 8 will give us some practice on the resh, and then we can wish each other a good evening. Line 8 kindly.
Rabba,
Nice.
Baruch.
ba, baroch,
Well done. Is this a cholam or a shuruk?
ashuru,
Right, so it would be baruch.
baruch,
That means blessed.
Wow. Baruch.
recall, recall,
So nice pronunciation, but the bet is often the bet.
reborn.
There you go. It's often
Yeah.
confused with a cough. Well done.
Yeah.
Continue.